7 Hacks for People Who Hate Cleaning. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. If you often find yourself in a situation with an untidy home, it probably means you need to up your cleaning game. While it is true that big cleaning gives you shivers, it is probably best to focus on some smart strategies. You don't really need to invest a lot of time in tidying up, as long as you implement these clever hacks in your daily life. Here are the 7 simple and yet clever hacks you should do. Number 1. Cut the excess. If you leave clutter uncontrolled, you will see it piles up rather quickly. Enough storage is needed to keep everything in order, or else your rooms will get super messy. Ditch the just-in-case thinking and dispose of things you don't use any longer. And just like that, you will not only make your home a tidier place, but also easier to clean from now on. Number 2. Assign a place for everything. Once you have dealt with excess, you should give a place for all of your other stuff. That way you can keep your items exactly where you want them. For example, you can keep your coat on hooks in the hallway, while another shelf or two can be used to store magazines and books. Number 3. Work on the go. If you go to the bathroom and you notice the sink is dirty, you can wipe it down quickly. Don't spend 30 minutes on this task, but a few minutes instead. Doing that will keep your place looking far from messy. Additionally, it will make it easy for you as it will reduce the need to spend tiring hours cleaning around. Number 4. Devote 10 minutes in the evening to pick up some clutter. Clutter is the #1 enemy to a tidy home. Make it a rule with your family to spend 10 minutes every evening to pick up clutter and returning items where they belong. This is especially useful if you have children who like to play with a lot of toys. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 5. Make your bed in the morning. This chore is not fun, but it has a huge impact on the overall tidiness of your bedroom. It is also an easy way to make the whole place look tidy and neat. By making up the bed, you also save your bed linen from accumulating too much dust and dirt, which calls for a better night's sleep. Number 6. Create routines and stick to them. Large part of keeping your home clean and organized has to do with setting routines. Every little chore you do is regarded as a routine, which you can better and stick to for optimal results. Number 7. Do the dishes after meal. If you let dishes pile up in the kitchen, you will find yourself in a predicament. It is much easier to do 3 dishes immediately after eating than it is to do 15 dishes in need of soaking because the dried food residue on them is hard to clean. Invest a few minutes of cleaning after each meal to save an hour of washing up later. By implementing these simple techniques into your routine, you can be sure that home cleaning and tidying up will become more easily managed. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out 6 proven ways to reduce allergens in your home. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. FastKlean works in partnership with Bravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.